Red Bull Yellow Edition. This is tropical energy drink. I'm wondering how is the taste look like. Price $3.99 at 76 gas station. $3.99 plus tax $4.39. Okay, I'm ready. Look like orange. Well, it say yellow. Tropical, okay. It say vitalize body and mind. That is interesting, Red Bull. Oh my God, the yellow edition? Holy schmoly, I like it. Red Bull, the yellow edition, the taste of tropical fruit. Artificially flavored, the wings of Red Bull. Red Bull and appreciated worldwide by top athletic, busy professionals, college students, and travelers on long journeys. Okay. Nutrition fact. I'm not gonna read all of this. I just know this is so good. I want to know if I can. After that, I have to. I have to run around or do something. I don't think you can sit in your car with it. I don't know how the Red Bull work. You have to do physical uh, activity, or you can read, or I don't know. I mean, to burn all this energy, because one Red Bull equal to this may be wrong information, but this is what I know. One Red Bull, I think 50 coffee. I'm not sure. I don't say this is right. Maybe wrong information. Please check Google or other Chat GPT or stuff. But I think one Red Bull equal to 50 coffee. This is why it gives you wing. You can fly. My God, I wish I could fly. Oh, by the way, long time ago I did not have energy drink, so this is tastes so good. If you drink everyday energy drink, it's kind of boring. But if you have a gap between your drink, taste more and more better. Yellow edition. I don't have to talk all the time. Can just drink it, right? When I do that at home, my daughter Liana say, why you make this sound? She's like, don't do that. That's not appropriate. I guess she's right. Still a little bit left. Oh my God, that's too much. Honestly, I just realized I bought the, how many ounce? 12 ounce. I thought this is the 8 ounce one, small one. But this is 12 ounce. So, wow. Almost done. In Sweden, if you recycle one of these, you get 10 cents per US dollar. 10 cents for one. If you save 10 of these, you make $1. This is why a lot of people save these cans, and they go and they put it in can machine and they get paper. They go and cash it out, or they just buy stuff. I think this is a really good system. We should have this in the US. Unfortunately, we don't have this. Go to garbage can, mix with other garbage, and we don't recycle it. Anyway, that was it. Yellow edition Red Bull. That was amazing, and I love you so much, all of you. Thank you for watching. Oh my God, I love you so much. For all of you. Bye.